Howdy, howdy, howdy. There's so much going on in my life. First of all, I got some new stuff coming for the summer and the spring and barbecue season. Whether it's smokers or grills, I'll be reviewing those. Those are coming. I'm doing my weight loss right now. The shirts are getting baggy. It's doing really well. It's profiled by Sanford. I want to thank them for being a part of me and my show. And as you can see here, I'm wearing my Sabo stretch. I want to thank Sabo. They are like a stroke rehabilitation company that helps you get back mobility and communication with your brain and all that stuff. Don't want to get too far into that stuff. I got some update videos you can see on the channel. This is the Sabo stretch. It's stretching my hand out. It's taking care of it. It's one step closer to getting my hand back to normal. So we'll keep working on it, all right? So in the meantime, we're doing a two-step, you can kind of get in two videos in one. I've already showed you how to make the Keto Alfredo sauce, but I'm going to do it again for this video. So it's all inclusive. So we're going to make the Keto Alfredo sauce first. Then we'll make the Alfredo chicken casserole with the keto sauce so that it's a Keto Alfredo chicken casserole. Doesn't that sound exciting? It's almost as exciting as my keto cheeseburger casserole. That was amazing. So come on in close, I'll show you what I got. So this is all you're gonna need to make the Keto Alfredo sauce. Very, very important to the dish that we're doing today, okay? So let's run over the ingredients. I got a little bit of salt. I'm using grated Parmesan. You can use shredded Parmesan. It doesn't matter because we're melting it anyway. So we're using garlic and we're using butter, and you need some heavy whipping cream. You need about I think it's a cup of heavy whipping cream. So let's get started. Meet me over at the stove. Okay guys, I've already made an executive decision that I'm doubling the batch. I'm making twice as much Alfredo sauce, which means I'm gonna need 2 sticks of butter instead of 1 stick. As you can see, I got my 2 sticks of butter in here. You're gonna start with a low flame. So go all the way to low. It's gonna take a minute to melt that butter on low. Make sure you got a flame. Yep, got a flame. Might go a little bit higher just to bring it along. There we go. Yeah. You wanna melt that butter on a low flame. Okay, all the butter's melted, pretty much. If it hasn't, it will in a minute. But go ahead and add your cream into there. That's a nice batch of Alfredo sauce. I'm doing a double batch. Go ahead and put your garlic in there. There we go. And you'll want a pinch of salt. There you go. Go ahead and mix that up. Have we got everything in there? Yes. And then we're gonna put this up to a medium. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. So go ahead and raise this to a medium flame. When it starts to simmer and bubble a little bit, that's when we add the Parmesan cheese. As you see the little bubbles and everything, that means it's where it needs to be. So go ahead and grab your Parmesan cheese. Place it in there. Oh, I forgot I doubled the recipe, so that means I need another cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, let me go run and grab some. If you double the recipe, you gotta double all the ingredients, okay? So we're gonna put another cup of cheese, and you're gonna, once that melts, it's done. You can either apply it immediately or warm it up later right before you're applying it. Get all that Parmesan cheese mixed in and get it melted. Guess what? It's a recipe change alert. So the recipe down below will say cauliflower. I want to use broccoli. You don't want to know why I want to use broccoli? Because I have this big bag of broccoli. I don't have any cauliflower. I don't have to run to the store. So what I'm going to do my recipe with broccoli, you do whichever one you like. The recipe down below we'll say cauliflower, okay? If you like cauliflower better, then do the same thing I'm doing here. So first of all, I'm going to take a bunch, I'm going to cook this whole bag. I'm going to use what I need, it asks what, 14 ounces of it. I'm just going to make them mouth size or bite size, okay? So if you have some big pieces in here, cut them in half, cut them in fours, make them a little bit smaller, and then we're going to steam them in the microwave. If you don't know how to steam them in the microwave, read the directions. Tells you how to do it. Me, I'll just punch a hole in this and microwave it for a few minutes until it's fork tender, okay? And then meet me right back here. So first thing we do, cook the vegetables. So give yourself a flame, probably a medium. Make sure you got a flame. Yep, flame's there. As always, drizzle a little olive oil. There we go. Warm that oil up. And as always, we throw in our tester meat. Just leave it right there. When it starts sizzling, the rest of it goes in. As you can see, it's bubbling, so that means the oil's ready. Here we go. Dump all your cubed chicken in there. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Love me some garlic. Get it all mixed around. Cook this up till it's all cooked. Okay, you see there's still a little bit of pink in some of the chicken. It's almost done. You have a few more minutes before it's all cooked up. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and start that warming up. And by the way, you'll see some flakes in here in the chicken. I added some red pepper flakes because I like spicy. So I want my casserole to have a little bit of a kick. It's not in the recipe, but feel free to add spices as you enjoy. You want to do a little Cajun seasoning, that's fine. It's cooked to the way I like it. Go ahead and turn off your flame and start grabbing some chicken, putting it in a bowl so you can bring it over to the island and we can start putting it together. By the way, did I tell you how much I love this cookware? The Rock cookware is literally my all-time favorite here on the show. They don't pay me to say that. I say it because I mean it. Now we got everything prepared. We got our vegetables, we got our chicken. I just heated up the Keto Alfredo Sauce again, loosen it up. I'm going to bring it over right now. Let me grab the handle. We're just putting a little bit in there. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to kind of move this around, kind of line the bottom. I've sprayed the bottom already, but just want to line. This is kind of how you make lasagna too. So if you hear noise in the background, my son is packing right now and moving out in the next week. So I apologize, but the show must go on. I love him dearly, and I'm there for him, but I just got to finish this dish. So go ahead and sprinkle your vegetables, whether it's cauliflower or broccoli. Sprinkle it all around. About half. Okay. Then you take your chicken and fill all the gaps. Ouch, chicken's still hot, burning my hand. As I continue to dig in there and grab more. about half the chicken. Go ahead and spread that out. Then you're going to cover the entire layer with cheese, just like this. Make a mess, it's always fun. Oh yeah, this is mozzarella cheese. Okay guys, once you got your cheese layer, you got a nice sprinkle of cheese, do it all over again. Take the rest of your keto. By the way, I should have put a layer of keto sauce when I was doing the first layer, but I forgot. But I'm sure this is gonna drip right through and just be beautiful. I got a double batch here. It's gonna be gorgeous. Go ahead and bake this 30 minutes at 350. We're gonna pop this in the oven right now. So when this came out, it was cheesy, bubbly, melty, however you wanna call it. This looks amazing. We're gonna try this in a minute. I'm gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes, right up here on the counter. It's burning hot, and kind of let that cheese thicken a little bit. It's gonna be delicious. I feel like I need to sprinkle pepper on top of this. I don't know why. Okay, you know what? I just feel like a little bit of black pepper. Let's try it out. Yep, that's what I needed. There we go. Little black pepper sprinkled on top. Now it looks beautiful. Okay, it's all cool now. I got a phone call and I was on for like an hour. So I'm back. How you doing? You guys didn't touch this, did you, while I was gone? Okay, good. All right, so let's grab some of this. See how it came out. Just need a little bit. Put it on the plate. See how it is. Put that right there. Put that over there. Get rid of that. Bring it over here. All right, you guys ready? This smells amazing. The whole kitchen smells like an Italian restaurant. Parmesan cheese, and it's gonna be great. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. I can't believe this is healthy. I can eat this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go have some lunch. This is a home run recipe. Got it? Home run recipe. You have to try this, just like the keto cheeseburger. This is amazing. I can't explain. All I can say is, it's just, I'm very excited about this. This is probably gonna be our dinner, so I just took a little bit to taste. My mouth is exploding with flavor right now. So you guys take care. I love you. Get excited because spring's coming and smoking meat's coming and grilling's coming and barbecue season's coming. And I got some great stuff in the works. I can't tell you yet, but I promise you, I'll tell you when it's a done deal. Because if it falls through, I'm going to look like an idiot. All right? I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.